Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off charging sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. While you put charger in your phone, there will be a sound. If you want to turn it off, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and go to sounds and vibration. Then go to system sound and vibration control. Here under sound there will be one option charging. Just turn it off. Now if you put charging for your phone, there will be no sound. If you want to have really the sound, just you have to turn on this charging. So in this way you can easily control whether to have charging sound or not, just using this option, that is under system sound and vibration control. Below sound options, you will have charging option. Just you can, through this charging option, turn on or turn off charging sound. So in this way you can easily control. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.